Welcome back to the channel. Now today I got something very exciting to unbox. The Meta Ray-Ban headliner glasses. These are the latest smart glasses from Meta in collaboration with Ray-Ban. And they've been making waves in the tech world. But are they worth the hype? Let's check it out. First off, let me take a moment to appreciate the sleek design and packaging. As you can see, Meta and Ray-Ban have really nailed the minimalistic yet premium vibe here. Alright, let's break the seal and get inside. I do like that sound. Woo-ah! Listen, call, live stream. Okay, let's see. Oh, nice. Oh, check out the presentation. Very smooth, minimalistic, but it flows. Okay, so right off the top, we've got the glasses that are wrapped in snugly, I might say, in this protected fiber case. And we'll take a closer look at these in just a second. Next, we got some paperwork. We have the warranty information and the quick start guide with some Ray-Ban and Meta branding. And then underneath all of that glorious goodness, we have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable, which is super convenient. One less cable to worry about. And finally, we got a cleaning cloth with some serious Ray-Ban logo branding. It's the little things, right? All right, so now this is the star of the show, the glasses themselves. Check out their design. It is a classic Ray-Ban with a hint of tech magic. And it feels sturdy, but lightweight. And the lenses are polarized, as well as a transition effect that works with them. Now, Meta integrated their tech seamlessly, so you can barely tell that these are smart glasses. The only thing that really gives it away is the cameras on the side. But other than that, it looks like a regular pair of sunglasses. Stylish sunglasses. Now me, I'm not for the flash and the glitter, so I'm not particularly feeling this. I prefer a more simple look, but it is what it is. And I'm sure a lot of people will appreciate this. Now, these glasses aren't just about looks. They're packed with all different types of features. For example, you can take calls, you can control music, you can even use voice commands with the built-in microphone and speakers. You have a camera and video. Now, a discrete camera allows you to capture moments hands-free. Perfect for blogging or capturing life as it happens. Now, it also has AR integration. Meta is truly stepping up their augmented reality game with features that overlay information onto your surroundings through the audio. Yes, it's all audio. It's not video through the glasses here. It's audio through your ears coming from your phone. Basically, what you see and what you say is all working that way. And yeah, I made a rhyme. Okay, so now, as far as the battery life is concerned, I think maybe 4 hours max. And when you really start using the features, then you're going to really drain that battery. So I have noticed that. Now, so let's put these bad boys to the test. Okay, so right now, I'm going to record a video using the built-in camera. And you do that by simply holding this button. And now I am recording you. and it's going to show up on my phone. Now, to stop it, you tap it again. Now, if I just wanted to take a picture, I tap this, and now I just took a picture. Now, I have to say, as I was listening to it on my drive back here today, the audio quality is surprisingly clear, and the speakers are loud enough without really leaking too much sound. A person has to be pretty close to you in order to hear, and then you can turn it down just enough so that you can hear and no one can hear, and then you can hear what you hear, if that makes sense. So here's a clip that I just recorded, smooth, crisp, and there's no need to reach for your phone. All right, so let's wrap this quick first impression and unboxing up. Are the Meta Ray-Ban headliner glasses worth it? Let me say this. In the beginning, I was somewhat skeptical about these glasses. I really couldn't see the function without having the information on the lenses itself. But I've had this now for about a week, and I have to say that I can truly see the benefit of it. One thing that I can appreciate is the fact that with this on, I don't need my phone as much as I used to use it. When you get the calls coming through, and if you want information, you can get that using Meta AI. So it makes it very convenient not to use your phone. So, are the Meta Ray-Ban headliner glasses worth it? If you're someone who loves blending style with functionality, or if you're into the cutting edge wearable tech, these are definitely worth considering. The price point might make you think twice, but for what you're getting, it might very well be a solid investment. So I'm going to be posting more videos on these glasses very soon. So do me a solid. First of all, give me a like, hit that subscribe button, and ring that bell to catch my next video when it drops. Thanks for watching, and I'm sure if you've enjoyed this video or you like this kind of tech, you might like that up there. Or maybe there. I don't know, I get confused.